In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to a Wix website. This is a great way to engage visitors, provide important information, or offer exclusive deals right when they land on your page. Adding pop-ups to your Wix site is simple and allows for great customization. So let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website editor. This is where the magic begins. If you're not already familiar with it, the Wix website editor is your go-to tool for customizing your website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to want to click on the option that says Add Elements. This opens up a menu with various options you can incorporate into your site. Among these options, look for Interactive. Clicking on this brings up a variety of features you can add to make your website more engaging. One of these interactive elements is what we'll focus on today. Lightboxes. Click on Lightboxes in the interactive menu. A lightbox is essentially a pop-up, and Wix offers several templates for these. Next, you need to choose a pop-up or lightbox template that suits your needs. You'll see a variety of styles and formats, from subscription forms to announcements, even promotional banners. Pick one that aligns with the goal you have in mind for your pop-up. Once you've chosen your pop-up, it's time to manage it, so go ahead and click on Manage Lightboxes. This feature allows you to edit the lightbox settings, control when and how they appear, and make other adjustments. It gives you the power to manage multiple lightboxes if you choose to have them. Now, click on Set Triggers. Triggers are crucial because they determine the conditions under which the pop-up will appear, such as when a user first visits the page, when they scroll to a certain point, or even when they attempt to exit. It's important to set these triggers thoughtfully to maximize user engagement without being obtrusive. Then look for the Settings option. Here you can further refine how your pop-up behaves, including duration, frequency, and the specific pages on which it appears. Taking the time to customize these details ensures your pop-up aligns perfectly with user interactions on your site. After adjusting the settings, you'll find options for Layout, where you can define the pop-up's structure, making it wide, narrow, large, or small as needed. Design comes next, offering tools to change colors, fonts, and styling to match your brand's identity. Finally, don't overlook animation and effects. This lets you add an extra layer of dynamism to your pop-up. Choose how it enters or exits the screen, including fades, slides, and more. These animations can make the pop-up feel more integrated into your site, rather than like an intrusive element. And that's it! You've successfully added and customized a pop-up to your Wix site. Leveraging pop-ups effectively can improve your site's engagement and help drive conversions or interactions with your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.